Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the cell size in Google Sheets step by step. Whether you want to make your rows taller or your columns wider, Google Sheets lets you resize cells in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Next, open the spreadsheet you want to edit. To move the width of a column, move your mouse pointer to the line between two column letters at the top of the sheet. When the cursor changes to a double-sided arrow, click and drag the border to the left or right until the column reaches the size you want. Release the mouse button to apply the new width. If you want Google Sheets to automatically fit the column to its contents, double-click the column border instead. Now let's adjust the height of a row. Move your cursor to the line between two row numbers on the left side of the sheet. When the double-sided arrow appears, click and drag the border up or down to resize the row. Release the mouse button when you're satisfied with the height. You can also double-click the row border to automatically fit the row to its contents. If you want to set an exact size, right-click the column letter and choose Resize Column. Enter the width in pixels, then click OK. To resize a row with a specific height, right-click the row number and select Resize Row. Enter the height in pixels and click OK. You can also resize multiple rows or columns at the same time. Simply select the rows or columns you want to change, right-click the selection, choose Resize, and enter the desired size. And that's it. You've successfully changed the cell size in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.